This is my Math Fact Fluency packet, and in this packet you'll find some problems called Pathfinder. And these are kind of like the puzzles that we did before, where you're going to start in an entrance and you're trying to get to the exit. And you have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equations to get from the entrance to the exit. And all these problems kind of follow a storyline. That's what the little blurb here is for, but that part's not quite as important. So you're going to start at 2. And what you're going to do is write that number in the first blank of the first equation. So if the arrow's pointing to 2 going into the maze, I'm going to write a 2 here. Now I'm going to, using that number, I can find any adjacent numbers, adjacent means next to, that satisfy the first equation listed below. So 2 times something equals something. Okay, let's see. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. 2 times 1 is 2. I don't see the 2 around, so I can't go that way. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 3 is 6. And I don't see a 3 right next to it. You can't skip over numbers. So I think I'm going to go this way. 2 times 3 is 6. So what I'm going to do is connect it and then write it down here. 2 times 3 is 6. Now I'm going to start my next equation with the 6. So you always start with the last number that you've landed on. So I'm going to put a 6 here. 6 divided by 1 is 6. You can't connect to a 6 there. 6 divided by 7, well, I can't even do that. I would end up with a fraction or a decimal. 6 divided by 1 is 6. Oh, I'm going to go that way. Now I'm going to write my equation. 6 divided by 1 is 6. Take the answer from the previous one and put it here. Now I'm going to multiply. 6 times what? 6 times 6 is 36. I don't see a 36. 6 times 3 is 18. Nope. 24, nope. 6 times 18, I know is a really big number and I don't see any big numbers. Oh, 6 times 2 is 12. Times 2 is 12. And then I'm going to start at the 12. 12 divided by, okay. 12 divided by 2 is 6. I don't see a 6. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay. 12 divided by 3 is 4. I'm going to go that way. Now I'm going to take my 4 and put it at the beginning of the next equation. 4 times, okay. Now when you get towards the end, it can sometimes be helpful to think, okay, I've only got 2 more equations and I have to get to the finish. So I don't really want to go in this direction because I have to get close to that in just 2 steps. So let's see. 4 times 4 is 16. I don't see that. I don't really want to move down or away from anything because I think I got to get to the exit. 4 times 2 is 8. Ooh, let me go that way. 4 times 2 is 8. Then I take the answer and put it in the next line. 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Ta-da! And that is how you solve the Pathfinder problems.